Here is something strange but true. Sharks have been swimming through Earth's oceans for 400 million years. But trees didn't appear until 50 million years later. For a long time, Earth had apex predators, but no forest. Sharks emerged during the Silurian period, over 100 million years before the first dinosaurs. Their skeletons made of cartilage instead of bone made them light, fast and agile. Meanwhile, the land was alien. There were no grasses, no flowers and no trees. Instead, the surface was covered in primitive plants like mosses and liverworts, and strange fungi like prototaxites, a towering fungus that grew up to 8 meters tall. But deep in the oceans, sharks had already evolved jaws, electroreceptions to sense prey, and rows of replaceable teeth, traits that made them apex hunters before forests even existed. So why did sharks beat trees to the evolutionary finish line? Because life started in the oceans, about 3.5 billion years ago. Multicellular life didn't appear until 600 million years ago. Water offered stability, buoyancy, and protection from UV radiation, since Earth's atmosphere like an ozone layer back then. Jawed fish, the ancestors of sharks, evolved around 420 million years ago, giving rise to predators that dominated marine ecosystems. Meanwhile, land plants had to invent entirely new systems: roots to stabilize in soil, xylem and phloem to transport water and nutrients, and lignin, the compound that makes wood strong and vertical growth possible. It took tens of millions of years to turn small mosses into towering forests. And the first real tree, Watisa, appearing in the Devonian period, around 385 million years ago. It looked like a giant fern. No leaves, no flowers, just frond-like branches. But trees didn't just grow tall, they changed the planet. They pulled carbon dioxide from the air, reducing the greenhouse effect. Their roots broke rocks and created the first real topsoil. Their remains piled up for millions of years because fungi that could break down lignin had not evolved yet. This buildup became the coal we mine today. While trees were transforming land, sharks ruled the seas. They survived all 5 mass extinctions, including the Permian-Triassic extinction, which wiped out 90% of marine life. They survived the asteroid that killed the dinosaurs, and they are still here. Some, like the Greenland shark, may live over 400 years. Sharks evolved over 500 species, from the gentle whale shark to the lightning-fast mako. Their bodies barely change in hundreds of millions of years, because nature doesn't fix what isn't broken. Sometimes what looks late isn't weak. Perhaps it is still perfecting its form. Roots grow in silence long before anything broke the surface. Trees may thrive later, but it isn't last. It's just waiting its right time to rise. And when they rise, the world begins to realize just how special they are.